Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to a new video on Athena, your daily update so far. I might continue these daily updates. It depends a little bit on if you value these analysis and if you value my thoughts, etc. For now, I will still do some analysis on this because, and excuse me, let me just make this screen a bit darker to the left of me. But no, the thing is, I mean, right now it's still pretty crazy, all right? If you look at Athena, we're down a bit in price, but the volume is still $2.5 billion, which is crazy. And then I am very interested in this. And then if you look at the open interest, so how much money is locked up. Yesterday, I think it was $100 million. So that was here in the morning. Yeah, it was $100 million. Right now it's 150, all right? And we are dropping down. I mean, it used to be 190 or something. But we're losing some positions here. People are closing some positions, which is, I mean, it's a bit against the trend because over the course of today, Bitcoin has actually been relatively stable. But the thing is that right now market circumstances are still wobbly, to say the least. All right, whether that's a good term to describe it or not, I'm not sure. But they're not super bullish. And then if you look at Athena, look, we had a big rally. In the end, hit that major resistance level at the 2.618 fib. Just in general, a pro tip is use Fibonacci extensions with cryptos that are in price discovery. All right, Fibonacci extensions and psychological levels are key. So here you can see 1.25 plus the 2.618. That resistance was to be expected. Yesterday, the price target we talked about is 1.05. Someone in the comments said I was wrong, which maybe you could see it like that, but usually I just set my first price target in the video. And then after that, I should probably make a new update because usually when we hit my first price target, I do think we can rally up higher. It's just the first level where I think we'll see some resistance. But all right, after hitting that resistance, we've been quite weak. All right, since then, we've started some sort of a downtrend right here. And the main thing we should look for right now, and the main thing I think you should focus on right now while I reset my camera, is a break of this downtrend. That's all right? I think that's enough to actually get a successful trade on Athena. Obviously, Athena was very hyped up as a new crypto launch. It's still being hyped up also by some of its investors, like Arthur Hayes. So in general, what we're waiting for is some sort of a strong support. So for example, you have a strong support right here at 85 and 90 cents. And then once we hit that level, a bullish breakout. So at this point of time, we don't look bearish, but if you look at the open interest, it's dropping down. The price is dropping down. So there's no divergence there. In general, we are just on the 15-minute time frame, short term, we are bearish. So what we're waiting for is, for example, if you look at the price right now, the main level to break is this level right here at 1.6 cents. All right, so 1.06. If we can get some sort of a breakout above that, while the open interest is going up, I will buy, all right? Because then we have broken the downtrend, we have momentum, and we can rally back up to 1.25 as a first price target. But it's waiting for that, and until that happens, we will be bearish. Because right now, like I said, the short-term structure is bearish. And if that's the case, usually it's best to assume that that will continue to go on. So I think it's most likely, and I think you should expect the price to start dropping down towards 85 cents, which is the next major support level. And then once we drop down to that level, then the main level to break is probably $1, all right? Because that's also a level that's starting to form right here. So you should move down those levels which we need to break above while we are dropping down lower. And then the main thing you're waiting for, like I said, is just a bullish breakout. So that's what I think you need to know. I mean, that's not really a prediction, but that is, trust me, it's way more valuable, all right? Just expect us to keep dropping down and keep signaling and keep your eyes on that main level we need to break to actually break the downtrend. Keep your eyes on the open interest. Open interest needs to be up a little bit while we get the breakout. And if that happens, Athena will rally up higher. And at some point of time, I do think that will happen. At this point of time, though, that I'm making the video, it looks more likely we'll drop down lower. All right, so 85 is the next support level. After that, we need to start talking about 75. After that, probably like 55. So don't worry too much about that yet, but those are the main next support levels. So from there, get a bullish breakout, get that open interest up, then we can rally. Until that point of time, we're bearish. Those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know. So for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.